All right, Language Explorer. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So call off. Call off. Call off. Yeah, to stop something. Stop. So stop something. Call it off. Call off. Call off the party. They will call off the party if that happens. Yeah. He can't call it off now. It is going to start soon. Yeah. You can't call it off so late. Yeah, you can't call it off so late. It is supposed to happen now. Yeah, you can't call it off now. Yeah. Yeah. Can you call off the guards? Tell them to stop. Tell the guards to stop. Tell them to stop. Tell the guards to stop. Yeah. Yeah. They can't just call off the dogs. We can't just stop the dogs, you know. They're uncontrollable. We can't just stop the dogs. They are doing their own thing. I can't call them off that easily. I can't call them off that easily, yeah. We would not call them off unless you asked first. Unless you asked first. Yeah. How cool is that? So, I called off the test. I called off the test. I cancelled it. I'm going to call off the meeting. We will meet another time instead. Yeah. How cool is that? She's thinking of calling off the meeting. She has been thinking about calling off the relationship for a while. It just depends on other things. It just depends on other things. Yeah. Without them, we'd have to call off the party. If they're not coming, if they are not coming, then we should call everything off. Yeah. I will call off the dancers and music. Just cancel everything. Just cancel everything. Cancel. Yeah. Call off the party, call off the meeting, call off the lesson, call off the publishing, call off the machine, call off the guards, call them off, call off the instructor. Yeah. Call off the instructor. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. So call off. Now, can you use call off in a sentence? Comment below. And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as searching my name, Adrian Nanchev, on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.